On day 3 of our journey in Bobby National Park, it's time to explore deeper. Trek through lush jungle trails surrounded by towering trees and the sounds of nature.
The yellow house over there, that is school. Yes, that's school. And actually, when the friend they first came to this area, they decided to build a beautiful lookout over there.
Along the way, keep an eye out for rare wildlife and vibrant plant life that thrive in this untouched wilderness. Discover the wild beauty of Bobby National Park on this unforgettable nature escape.